All right, guys, Mikey here from Electric Scooter Guy. And guys, I finally got around to get my Kaabo Wolf Warrior out of my friend's garage because I don't keep it at my house because, as you guys can see, I live all the way up on the top floor. So you would have to go up these steps right here and then those steps up there to get to the door. And then you have to go up a huge flight of steps to get upstairs. So I store my Dualtron Ultra 2 upstairs because it's a little lighter, and I store my 3200 watt Alibaba scooter upstairs and my Yumi D5 Plus upstairs because they're a lot lighter. The Kaabo is just a beast. This thing is a beast. I love this bike. Now, I did a video on all my scooters except for this one. And let me tell you guys something, this is definitely my favorite one. I love the Dualtron Ultra 2 that I just got last week. I'm still getting used to it. It's very fast. The Dualtron is definitely a little bit faster than the Kaabo. Actually, it's about 5 miles, top speed about 5 miles an hour quicker than this. I could get this up to about 54 miles an hour on a straight line, and that's with GPS. That's not with the speedometer up there. That's with the GPS speedometer on my phone. And I only weigh 138 pounds at 5'7". So I get this thing up to 54 miles an hour. Going down the hill, down a steep hill, I got it up to 59. And that's no bullshit. This bike is just amazing. It's not the King, but what happened was the King came out right before when I got this bike. The King came out like 3 weeks later. Could you believe that? Even though it was on pre-order, it still came out 3 weeks later. I had no idea that it was even going to come out. But anyways, guys, it's a great bike. If you guys know anything about electric scooters, then you know that the Kaabo Wolf Warrior is definitely up there as top 5 best electric scooters ever, okay? It might not be as fast as the Kaabo Wolf King, but it's fast, guys. It's really fast. It's not as fast as the Dualtron Ultra 2, but it is really fast. I only put about 875 miles on it. It's in brand new condition, as you guys can see. I mean, it is brand new. I did a few things to it. You could use this as a cup holder. I put this for my speaker, my JBL speaker, and I always use this name brand, GLB. This is the name brand that I use for cell phone holders. The best cell phone holders on the market, in my opinion. The best. And then I got the Night Rider 750 lumen, and I have another 750 lumen, but that's upstairs. And then on my Dualtron Ultra 2, I got two 900 lumens. The Night Rider headlights are the best. That's my opinion. I love these headlights. And let me tell you guys something. When you put these two headlights on, mixed with these headlights right here, and then you get lighting from down here and down there, wow, it's brighter than my BMW. It is brighter than my BMW. I mean, sometimes I shut these lights off because they take up a lot of juice. Like at night, I'll shut these lights off and I'll just keep the two 750s on. And it lights up the road like you wouldn't believe, because we all know that the Kaabo definitely has one of the best lights in the business, and it's got the best horn in the business. I actually had to tilt the fucking thing down because it's so loud. It's like they took it off a car. It's like they stole it off a car, like a small compact car. But anyways, guys, I mean, amazing scooter. I love it. It's got the zoom brakes. I mean, I like them, but they kick in. They take a minute to kick in. They kick in a little late. The nut brakes, the NUTT brakes that I got on the Dualtron are definitely better. 100%, they're definitely better. And when I got this bike out the box, the lever this piece right here wasn't even on, and the lever was just dangling. So Mini Motors came, they picked the bike up 2 days later, and they dropped it off to me the next day. They actually came and picked the bike up from my house because I live in New York. And Fluid Free Rides, where I got the bike from, shout out to Fluid Free Rides because they are the best. Fluid Free Rides, Dualtron, Mini Motors, the best. So shout out to Fluid Free Rides down in Florida and Miami. They hooked me up. Listen to this, guys. I got this scooter, right? I ordered it on a Friday morning, and it got to my house on a Sunday evening. A Friday morning, and it got to my house on a Sunday evening. It came from like Chattanooga, Tennessee, or some shit like that. I guess that's where they store a lot of these bikes. And it got here in 2 days. That is amazing. Wow. And their customer service, Fluid Free Rides has the best customer service. Their customer service is like above and beyond. Rev Rides is another good one, and so is Voro Motors. So if you guys are going to buy a scooter, I would go through Rev Rides, Fluid Free Rides, Mini Motors, you know, or Voro Motors. Those are the best scooter companies to go, to go through. Now, one thing that I wish that this bike did have, I wish it had the 160 millimeter rotors like the Kaabo King and the Dualtron Ultra. These are 145 millimeter rotors. I wish they were a little bit bigger, but the bike does stop really well. I mean, I got it up to like setting 3. It does stop really well. I put the Kaabo stickers on the side. I never seen anybody do that before. I put the Kaabo stickers on the sides, and that's really about it. And then I got my, you can never be without an air pump. I got a little bike air pump right here with a little gauge on it. It fits right on to the side of the thing. Look at it, nice and tight. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video on my Kaabo Wolf Warrior 11 Plus, and I'm going to get some riding footage in soon with my GoPro. I'm waiting for my GoPro 9 to come in the mail. So when that comes in the mail, I'm definitely going to do some riding videos for you guys, because I'm a maniac on my scooters. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Mike from Electric Scooter Guy. Peace out.